Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to add control panel to Windows 10 File Explorer. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version. Click and expand Explorer. Click and expand My Computer. Click and expand Namespace. Right-click, click New Key. Type key value from screen. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.